Welcome back. It's now time for Midday Sports.
Brian Level retained his national 200-meter title, while Ashanti Moore took the women's equivalent to secure her first national title, as the four-day J3A's National Senior and Junior Athletics Championships culminated on Sunday at the National Stadium. Lavelle also attained the World Championship qualifying standard with his time of 20.10 seconds. He was the only one in the race to dip below 20.16 as he won ahead of Christopher Taylor 20.28 and Adrian Carr 20.49. In the women's equivalent, Moore reigned supreme, clocking 22.66, but just missed the World Championship qualifying standard of 22.56 for the World Championships. Gabrielle Matthews 22.80 and Renisha McGregor 22.86 were second and third respectively. Defending champion and the fastest Jamaican this year, Rashid Broadbell, did not turn up to the block after suffering an injury in training. However, Orlando Bennett stepped up to the plate, taking the event in 13.10 seconds ahead of Demario Prince 13.12 and Tyler Mason 13.22 seconds. National 400-meter record holder Rasheen McDonald seemed to be returning to his best as he upsets a quality field to take the final in 44.89 seconds. McDonald only missed out on the World Championship qualifying standard by 0.04 of a second. Delana Kennedy finished second in 44.91 and Javon Powell third 45.08.
And that was Christopher Scott with our Midday Sports Package. And that's the Midday News Package. I'm Amoy Harriet. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.